What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Add Me feature that's included in your photo app on your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I think it's on all the current Google Pixel phones, and it's a pretty nice little feature. I played around with it with my family a little bit, and I can see where it could be useful, and it could be fun as well. So we kind of had a little fun doing it, checking this feature out, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. You go into your camera app. You're going to slide over about two, and there's the right there. It says Add Me, and it's going to give you some prompts here. Photographer number one, leave space for yourself. Take the first photo. You go OK. It's going to prompt you to move the camera, scan the area right there, and then you'll be ready to take the photo. And it's telling me right here, Add Me works best in bright static scene with a detailed background. So it's just telling me that this is not the right setting. So some of the settings here, Add Me settings, you can take a photo in 4:3, or you can take it in 16:9. More settings right here, and I don't think these are specifically for the Add Me, but you can save location, camera sounds. You guys can see everything here. That's in the settings right there. Also, at the top up here, you got preview, so it'll give you a little preview here of the Add Me. If you don't have a tripod or another person to take the photo for you, Add Me combines two photos so you can be included. So it's giving you a little demonstration on how to do that, and it tells you right there. It says this feature is in the early stage. Combined images may include unexpected or inaccurate results. So just be mindful of that. So let's go into my camera, the photos that I took, and let me let you guys see how they came out. All right, so the first photo right here is my grandson and my wife. I took the photo, and you guys can see there. So coming over, here's the actual photo here. You guys see this is me added to the photo, and it looks pretty good right there. Now, the only problem I see is where his arm and my stomach area right there add together. It's a little crazy looking right there. So it's not perfect, but it's believable, as you guys see. So next, here's me by myself. And then I'm going to add a second wheel on here as well. So here it is. So one wheel is taller than the other one, but looks pretty good, especially if you leave a little space in between. It's not bad. So the next photo over, that's me again, right there standing by myself. And then I add another wheel right there, kind of the same thing right there. And I think the last one that I did, I wanted to see if I could pose like I'm going to put my arm around myself. We had tried this earlier, and it didn't work. But when we tried it the next time, here it is. As you guys see, I have my arm around myself there. Now, the colors on the photo are a little bit different. They made the wheel on the right side a whole lot. He looks a whole lot heavier for some reason. And it's not perfect, but it looks good. And then, like I said, where the two bodies joined together right there, it's a little bit kind of weird looking right there, but overall, the app is not bad. I think they'll refine it a little bit more, and it's something that can be useful, man. So that's my look at the Add Me feature on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I think it's pretty good. So Will H, I'm going to cover some more features on this phone as time go on. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.